Let's talk about the utility services. We have a concierge service called Citizens Home Solutions. They will be contacting you in the next 24 to 48 hours, and their phone number is listed below in case you haven't heard from them. They will help you set up all the utilities. They know which electric, water, gas, and other utility services are provided at your location. If you're using a satellite TV dish for your service, you must use Citizens Home Solutions. They will install the dish properly so that it doesn't damage the home, and they are also competitively priced. We also ask that you try and have the utilities turned on at least a day before your move-in meeting. This way, we know that you will not be without utilities when you move in. So please keep in mind that some services are not open on Fridays or weekends and may require up to a week in advance in order to establish the service at your location. We will also be sending you a link for a property move-in inspection. The utilities need to be on so that you can check everything and make sure it's working properly. If the utilities are not turned on in your name before moving in, you will be billed for the usage and also assessed a billing fee.